Hello everyone, this is Zoe at WeShipFloors.com. I'm doing a comparison video of our SPC 029 Cirque Asian walnut, BSPC 100 maple brown sugar, BSPC 101 wild acacia, as well as SPC 017 acacia sunrise. So I did reposition these panels so they would be near each other here in our showroom. It's a little difficult to get these moved around, but this wasn't too bad. So here goes. First on the left here is the Cirque Asian walnut. Keep in mind I have a little bit of glare right there from a nearby window, so I'm going to try to make more shadows. No, just kidding. I'm going to try to get close here so you can get a visual on the character of the Cirque Asian. It's just meant to be a really high-end, elegant looking floor. It's a very fluid grains. And so this kind of, to me, is more of a dressed up look, more elegant. And certainly we try to make something for everyone. So one of the many 45 or so colors we offer. But this one is a really beautiful one for the reproduction look of a fine, high-end walnut. Okay, so now moving over to the maple brown sugar. This one is a real just kind of simple neutralized type color. It's a nice medium brown with a touch of some golden undertones. And it really doesn't have any strong character. So this would be good for those that are wanting something kind of just more uniform. It doesn't really come out and jump at you. You may want other things to show off in the space. So making your floor kind of more plain is a way that the other items in your, as far as decor, would show up and look like the floor is more of the backdrop for those items. So that could certainly be an option when you're considering which way to go. And the next one is the wild acacia. It is very similar to the acacia sunrise, which I'll show next, in that the character grain is pretty much the same. It's got this true small leaf acacia graining to it, and when we sell the real hardwood of acacia, which is also known as Asian walnut, we sell it more than any other species. So it's a highly desired hardwood, and that kind of supports our reasoning behind making a couple of options to have it as a waterproof floor. So this has made a lot of people happy that they could get this look and not spend the high square foot amount and still get the beauty of that fine grain acacia. Now I'm going to go down to the floor, which is where the acacia sunrise is. And so it's just a little bit darker. Matter of fact, I'm going to try to capture it and the wild acacia kind of near each other. You see that difference? The sunrise is got a little bit of darker tones with a golden undertone. Let me kind of look right down on it. The lighting is kind of messing with the color tones here. I do urge that you get some samples so you can really see what it looks like. It's great to work with samples because then you can do your paint matching and looking at it and trying to visualize it with furniture and other elements in your design. So I'm going to try to just stand back here and see if we can get a little more. Just notice that when I'm moving around, I've got many different types of light showing. And so over this way, we've got more of the daylight from the window, which is more of a bluish kind of light. And then as I travel more into the interior of the showroom away from the window, we have more of an incandescent red toned light. So you will see those differences. You may want to upgrade your lighting when getting new flooring because that really changes the look. I did give this a quick wipe down with the Swiffer, so there's some little wet spots still right there. but I wanted to make sure you could see this good. Okay, so looking at the sunrise there, now I'm gonna back away and try to get a little more span here. That's looking at all four at once that was in question for this comparison video. I'm gonna kind of move this way because again, those colors are gonna change. This is probably, if I'm looking at what I see on my camera right now, looks pretty true to color to me. So this may be that happy medium. I am kind of halfway in between the daylight and the incandescent light right now. So there you have it. Let me know which one you like. Comment below. Let me know your thoughts. We're always curious to hear the good and the bad from everyone. It certainly has been what's guided us to select our colors for the SuperCore lineup. So we value each and everyone's opinion. Thanks again for watching. And this is Zoe at WeShipFloors.com. Thank you.